Driver blows through the front of a 7-Eleven store and then takes off. Police say they left one valuable clue behind, a license plate. Team 10 investigator Adam Rakusin has been tracking the license plate and where the search stands now.
Tonight, the 7-Eleven is back open, only with a boarded up front. As for who drove through it, police still haven't said, but remember that license plate. We spent the day tracking down who it might be registered to. These are the shattered remains of an early morning crime scene inside an El Cajon 7-Eleven.
I was working in the coffee area, last corner. That like a explosion. Boom.
The clerk inside tells 10 News he rushed to get out of the way as a vehicle came barreling through. Police say the driver crashed the car, backed out, and drove away, but left one crucial piece of evidence behind, this license plate. According to DMV records, the vehicle that belongs to that license plate is registered to a man by the name of Manny Sutton. Team 10 discovered a criminal past for someone with that name, including a 2008 arrest for attempted murder and assault with a semi-automatic firearm. 10 News did speak with Sutton's grandmother, who confirmed he drives a Nissan, which is the same type of car police were looking for, and got out of jail about a year ago. She told 10 News he's a good kid and is trying to get his life together. She said she's glad that nobody got hurt and is trying to contact her grandson so she can get his side of what happened and will do whatever to cooperate with police. But questioned whether or not her grandson was involved or responsible, saying she didn't know if the car had been stolen or if someone else was driving. Police have not said whether or not Sutton is a suspect, only that surveillance video they got was a little too pixelated to make anyone out at that time. Adam Rakusin, Team 10.